सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्मार्ट टेक्निक चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hey, hi guys, what's up? This is Ujwal, and welcome to my channel Smart Tech 4. Today I'm going to show you a small issue how to fix it related to iPhone 7, 7 Plus. So if your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus Bluetooth is not working, then watch this video to know how to fix it. So let's go. Here we go. Just we have to follow small and this little steps. So there are few ways to solve it. I will give the details down below. So just follow me guys. So within 2 minutes you can fix your Bluetooth issue of iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. So let's start it. So first of all, open the settings app in your iPhone and tap Bluetooth. Okay. Then just tap the icon alongside of the devices connected, right? After this, just you have to choose to forget this device. Yeah guys, you have to choose to forget this device. So confirm you want to forget it by tapping OK. Got it guys? Then only it will get forget, otherwise it will not. So just confirm by clicking on OK. After that, you have to just put the Bluetooth device in pairing mode, search for the Bluetooth device again, then repair it. Okay, that's it. So this is a small video. If you like, please hit a like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind.